In this video, I will show you how to move contacts from one Google account to another in Google Contacts. Start by opening your browser and going to contacts.google.com. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, you must first export your data. Go to the top part of your screen, then click on the Export button. Then an option for exporting will then show. In here, select the Google CSV format, then export it. It will then automatically be downloaded to your computer. Open the file and rename it, for example, in here for transfer to other Gmail, so you will remember the file or make it easier for you to find the file later. Then, in another tab in your browser, open your Google Contacts again. Then, on the top right part of your screen in your profile icon, click on it to switch into the destination account where you want the contacts to reside. Once logged into the new account, click on Import Contacts. A pop-up will then show. In here, click on Select File. Then browse and select the file you renamed and want to import, then click Import. The contacts list will now automatically load and appear in your new Google Contacts account. And that's how to move contacts from one Google account to another in Google Contacts.